Some stops end with a ticket. Others end with a car on a flatbed, what deputies jokingly call car jail. Original audio stripped, our narration added. Here's when Arizona law lets an officer impound your vehicle. A white Mustang on the shoulder. Arizona allows a mandatory 30-day impound for specific violations, not just any ticket. Driving on a suspended license, or without ever being licensed, is the classic trigger for that 30-day hold.
The impound choice is made roadside based on what the license check returns. The driver often doesn't see it coming.
Here's what makes Arizona different. Most traffic tickets are civil. You pay a fine and move on with no criminal record. But criminal speeding, driving on a suspended license, and reckless driving all cross into misdemeanor territory with a mandatory court date. A Chevy Tahoe is stopped later. A 30-day impound in Arizona can cost the owner well over $1,000 in fees to recover. And under statute, the registered owner pays those fees even if someone else was driving.
Storage fees accrue daily. A 30-day statutory hold is designed to sting. That's the deterrent the legislature intended.
And the number on the ticket is never the real cost. Arizona stacks an 83% surcharge on top of the base fine. Then come license points, defensive driving school, and insurance increases that can outlast the ticket by years. Arizona's mandatory impound statute removes officer discretion for the worst license violations. The car goes, period. Keep your license valid, and this never happens to you. Footage credit, Pinal County Sheriff's Office.